Are you someone who's conscious about the way you smile? Do you feel like when you smile, your gums are seen too much? And for this reason, you feel like you cannot smile freely in photos and videos. This is known as a gummy smile. And today we will talk about how this can be improved. I'm Dr. Aniket Venkatram, plastic surgeon at the Venkat Center, Bangalore. So to begin, what is a gummy smile? A gummy smile is what happens that when a person smiles and his upper lip muscles act too much and they pull the lip up too much. So instead of just the teeth, you see the gums on top of the teeth as well. This is known as a gummy smile. And this can be a great source of embarrassment. I've seen many girls who feel very shy and unconscious about smiling freely in photos because they feel that their smiles don't look good. And they are otherwise very pretty, but this one thing is stopping them from expressing themselves. They always smile with closed lips. They never allow their teeth to be shown. No one should have to feel like this. There should be nothing to hold you back. Why does a gummy smile happen? Well, quite simply put, it is an imbalance in the muscles of the other lip. There are various muscles in the lips which affect your lip movements, including smiling. There are muscles in the side, there are muscles in the center. Now, in the gummy smile, there is one particular muscle called the levator labii superioris. I know it's a very complicated name, but this muscle acts a little too much compared to the other muscles, and it pulls the lip up. And because of this, it's not just the teeth, but the gums are also seen. So how can we improve this? How can we treat this? Well, thankfully, there's a very simple solution for this. There is a treatment known as botulinum toxin. I know that sounds very scary as the name toxin in the name. It is not so scary. Botulinum toxin is a chemical that can be injected into muscles to weaken muscles. This is most commonly used in older women in the treatment of wrinkles. As you grow older, you have wrinkles on your forehead, you have wrinkles in between your eyebrows, you have wrinkles on the sides of your eyes. Botulinum toxin is very commonly used to treat all of these wrinkles. It works by selectively weakening muscles. So how can we use it in the gummy smile? Well, we can inject botulinum toxin selectively into that one muscle which is overactive. And thereby we can compensate this overactivity and bring it in sync with the rest of the muscles. When we do this, the muscle drops and the smile comes into balance. So what is the treatment like? It's a daycare procedure. It takes 15 minutes. You come get it done, you're immediately back to work. There's no time off. Quite simply, we give you two small injections, one on this side, one on this side. The injection is done with a 30 gauge needle. That is a needle that is even thinner than your hair. So it is not painful at all. Once the injection is done, it starts to work in a few days and you see the result after 1 week. This injection lasts for around 6 months, and after 6 months, the procedure would have to be repeated. So the advantages of this procedure are that it is very simple, it is very easy, there is no pain, there is no downtime, and it is not a surgery. You are back to work immediately. But it is important that this injection is done properly. We only need to inject into that particular muscle that we want to weaken. If we end up injecting into some other muscle, that can cause other issues. Your smile can become crooked. You might not be able to suck through a straw. These are all issues that can happen if the injection is not done properly. So therefore, make sure you find someone who is experienced in this particular technique who can give you a good result. Another thing to be careful is it's important not to inject too much. You can always inject more if needed, but if you inject too much, you can't take it away. So you need to find someone who knows what they are doing. Check your injector's credentials before deciding to go through with this. Now we will see one patient who had a gummy smile issue and how it was improved with botulinum toxin.
In this picture, we can see how the patient looks before procedure. She has a gummy smile wherein her upper lip muscles are overactive and pulling the upper lip too hard, which causes the gums to be visible. You can see the comparison of before and after the procedure. As you can see in the after image, the upper lip has dropped down nicely and the gums are no longer visible. This makes her smile much more balanced. The teeth are visible nicely, so it's not like the upper lip has dropped too much. Overall, she looks much better and more confident.
I hope you enjoyed this video on botulinum toxin for gummy smile treatment. Do feel free to comment. If you need more information, you can get in touch with us with the information provided in the description. And do feel free to like and subscribe to our channel if you'd like more information on procedures related to skin, ENT, and plastic surgery. Thank you.